This is a national emergency for Bangladesh. Please stand by. Nuclear missiles have been launched toward the countries of Bangladesh, the U.S., Canada, and Australia. Domestic targets are Dhaka, Chittagong, Gazipur, and Narayanganj. International targets are in the U.S., Chicago, Illinois, Los Angeles, California, New York City, New York, Phoenix, Arizona, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Jacksonville, Florida, Las Vegas, Nevada, Seattle, Washington, Nashville, Tennessee, Redding, California, Gaffney, South Carolina, Spruce Pine, North Carolina, Madison, Georgia, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Clovis, California, Portland, Oregon, Baltimore, Maryland, Atlanta, Georgia, Washington, D.C., Boston, Massachusetts, Raleigh, North Carolina, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Cincinnati, Ohio, Watertown, South Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Boise, Idaho, Montgomery, Alabama, Jackson, Mississippi, Fairbanks, Alaska, Providence, Rhode Island, Detroit, Michigan, Salt Lake City, Utah, Billings, Montana, Casper, Wyoming, Omaha, Nebraska, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Des Moines, Iowa, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, New Orleans, Louisiana, Indianapolis, Indiana, Louisville, Kentucky, Columbia, South Carolina, Charleston, West Virginia, Wilmington, Delaware, Newark, New Jersey, Bridgeport, Connecticut, Burlington, Vermont, Manchester, New Hampshire, and Portland, Maine. In Canada, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Vancouver, British Columbia, Edmonton, Alberta, Whitehorse, Northwest Territory, Quebec City, Quebec, and Toronto, Ontario. And in Australia, Darwin, Northern Territory, Perth, Western Australia, Adelaide, South Australia, Brisbane, Queensland, Sydney, New South Wales, Melbourne, Victoria, and Hobart, Tasmania. Stand by for Bangladesh himself.
My fellow Bengalis, we have feared for decades that a day like this would become reality. We have feared that a nuclear attack would be declared against our great nation one day. Speechless as I am that such weaponry has been used upon us all at this moment, I strongly urge all citizens to remain calm and not panic during this attack, as all that we can do now is brace ourselves. We have been through tough times in this country before, and we will get through this if we all work together and rebuild. For now, I strongly encourage you to do the following actions to ensure the safety of yourself and the others around you. Gather plenty of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to bring with you to your fallout shelter to keep yourself healthy and updated with the latest information. Make sure to cover all cracks and windows with tape. Damp clothing or damp towels. Do not go outdoors until the all clear is given or unless absolutely necessary. The fallout will remain in the area for several days, perhaps months, maybe even years. However, during these tough times we shall fight until the end. It's when we will overcome our fear and remain victorious against our enemies. Whoever has hurt our country shall be hurt with twice the fury by us. The enemy shall be punished until the end, and we will show no mercy. While we may be crippled by this attack, Bangladesh will not be broken on it. No, my fellow Bengalis, thank you all. God bless you, and God bless I of Bangladesh.
Our national anthem.
আমার সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি, চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, তোমার বাতাস আমার প্রাণে, ওমা আমার প্রাণে বাজায় বাঁশি সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি। ওমা ফাগুনে তো রামের মনে প্রাণে পাগল করে, মনে হায় হায় রে ওমা ফাগুনে তো আমের মনে প্রাণে পাগল করে, ওমা ঘ্রাণে তোর ভরা থেকে কি দেখেছি, আমি কি দেখেছি মধুর হাসি সোনার বাংলা, আমি আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি কি শোভা কি ছায়া গো কি স্নেহ কি মায়া গো কি আঁচল বিছাইছ বটের মূলে নদী কূলে কূলে মা তোর মুখের বাণী আমার কানে লাগে সুধার মতো মরি হায় হায় রে মা তোর মুখের বাণী আমার কানে লাগে সুধার মতো মা তোর বদন খানি মলিন হলে আমি নয়ন ও মা আমি নয়ন জলে ভাসি সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি
Attack in progress. Attack in progress. Attack in progress. Attack.